Hello students, welcome to the time classes here. In the series of questions which we are discussing from this material aimcat SA2403, let's discuss another question here. Okay, even before we start here, now see this question here. It reads, the roots of an equation x square minus px plus q is equal to 0 are 3a plus 3b here. Okay, what do we have? We have a quadratic equation whose roots are given for us as 3a and 3b here. Okay, now where a and b are integers. If a and b are integers, 3a and 3b are also integers for us. So hence we know the roots of this quadratic equation are in integers. Now question is asking which of the following is the possible value for p square minus a q square here. Now, okay, a related point here to understand, in quadratic equations here, we know this one. If there are two roots, okay, right. Okay, we know this one. If there are two roots here, that is alpha and a beta here, we can tell this one, the quadratic equation can be expressed in this form here, that is x square minus sum of roots alpha plus beta and then into a x here plus alpha into a beta is equal to 0 here. Okay, for two given roots alpha and a beta here, the quadratic equation can be this one represented like this, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0 here. Now in our problem here, we know this one, the roots, okay, the roots are given as what? It is a 3a and a 3b here. Okay, 3a and a 3b here. What does that mean? The quadratic equation with this roots should be in what format? It should be like this here. It is x square minus of, it is 3a plus a 3b and then into a x here plus it is 3a and then into a 3b here is equal to 0. Let's simplify this one. 3 I could have taken it common outside and write this one as x square minus 3 times of a plus b into x, okay, plus 3 into 3 is a 9 here, so it is 9ab is equal to 0 here. A quadratic equation with the roots 3a and 3b must be in this format here, but here is already given that it is x square minus a px plus a q here, right? So given like this, it is x square minus a px plus a q here. So comparing these two here, what can we find? We can tell it this one, that p is equal to, please see, minus p as a coefficient of x, minus of 3 times a plus b is the coefficient of x here. And both these coefficients of x can be equated. And so we get it, p is equal to how much? It is 3 times of an a plus b here. Similarly, constant, if we are equating it from both the equations, we get this one. It is q is equal to how much? It is 9 times of an a, 9 times of ab. Okay, let's find the value for p square minus a q square here. Okay, so here what can we tell? It is p square minus a q square here. We can tell it this way. It is equal to how much? It is 3 times of a plus b whole square. This one 3 times of a plus b whole square. Okay, p square minus a 2q. Sorry. Okay, so what exactly are we supposed to find? P square minus a 2q here. Okay, we are looking for p square minus a 2q here. That means we are looking for the value in simplified 3 times of an a plus b whole square. Okay, this is whole square minus of how much? 2 times of how much? 2 times of 9ab. Okay, let us simplify this one. 3 square is how much? It is 9. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here we can write it. It is 9. Okay, 9a square plus 9b square, right? Okay, next one plus 2ab and then again multiply it with a 9 here. Okay, that gives us how much? It is plus 18ab. Okay, next one here it is what? It is minus of 18ab here. Okay, so plus 18ab and minus 18ab is going to get cancelled. So here we can tell this one, it is same as 9 times of a square plus a b square here. So the required answer in terms of a and b here. Okay, which of the following? Oh, right. Okay, so required answer. Okay, okay, we are looking for this one. P square minus 2q square should be in this format. 9 times of a square plus b square here. Now see here. Okay, we found it like this. Is equal to 9 times of how much now? It is a square plus a b square. Okay, please observe. We know this one, a and b are integers. If a and b are integers, a square and b square also are integers, and here multiply it with a 9. Okay, our required answer actually should be a multiple of a 9 here. Okay, so whatever values a and b can take here, whatever integer values a and b can take here, our required answer must be a multiple of a 9 here. So look at them, look at this one among the options here, which one is a multiple of a 9 here? See here, is 16 a multiple of 9? No. So hence this cannot be the possible value here. Similarly here, 17, 18 and 19. Among these ones, we can quickly identify 17 and 19 are integer values for a and b here. We can tell it this one, our required answer, okay, can be equal to 18 here. Okay, that is the answer to this question. Among all the different possibilities here, this is the possible value here. Okay, that can be the value for p square minus a q square here. Okay, that is the answer to this question here.